As a mark of respect for the people who were killed in the police firing at Mukraw, the state government has decided to cancel all the ongoing festivals in the state, including the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Chief Minister admitted that there will be losses in terms of revenue, but the important aspect is that the lives of people matters the most. Meanwhile, the state government has also prohibited mobile data in 7 districts of the state for the next 48 hours to maintain peace and to avoid possibility to spread of fake news.
But what we have felt as a cabinet is that life of the people are most important to us. We feel the law and order situation is paramount. Maintaining of peace is very important. And hence everything else is secondary for us right now. While we are mourning, it would not be appropriate for us to have festivals and to be celebrating. And though it is a tough decision, and as I said, it will be difficult, many financial losses may be there, but as I said, we respect and we want to ensure that the lives of the people who are lost is paramount, and as I said, the law and order situation is paramount for us.